The year was 1917. On the Western Front, the horrors of war raged. Lance Veer Singh, an Indian soldier, was locked in a deadly dance with death in the trenches of France. Around him, the cacophony of gunfire, explosions, and screams painted a nightmarish tableau. His mud-caked face mirrored fatigue, but his eyes held a resolute fire. Veer's mind drifted back to his beloved village in Punjab, the laughter of his sisters, his father singing in the fields, and his mother's bedtime stories. It all seemed distant, a fragment of another life. Here, war was life, and death lurked around every corner. Beside him sat Tom, an English soldier. An unlikely friendship had blossomed between them. Here, on the battlefield, enemies faded, replaced by the raw humanity of men facing the abyss. When Tom sustained a wound, Veer bandaged him, their shared struggle forging a bond stronger than nationality. One night, the German forces charged. Bullets rained down. Veer saw Tom struck, and without hesitation, he hoisted him, seeking shelter. But then, another bullet. Veer crumpled to the ground, darkness engulfing him. When he awoke, the silence of the hospital greeted him. He was alive, but Tom was gone. Grief shattered Veer. The war had claimed another friend. A few days later, recuperated, Veer returned to the front. Death's shadow remained, but fear had receded. Now, all he desired was to fulfill his duty. Tom's memory fueled his resolve. The war dragged on for years. Finally, in 1918, Germany fell. The war was over. Veer returned to India, forever changed. The scars of war ran deep. He saw his village, his home, but amidst the familiar sights, a hollowness echoed within him. Veer never forgot Tom, the brutality of war, the sweetness of friendship, and the value of humanity. These were the lessons etched in the trenches. He wasn't a war hero, just a living man who had stared death down and emerged forever marked.